Are you wondering how your dream design will look? Watch this video now.
Displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for being with us. See you next time.